Can we talk here?
Miami? Yeah, what's up?
Where are you from?
I'm from North London. What's up, bum?
I think you are busy, that's why you don't have enough time to talk to me.
No, I can talk at the same time. Yeah, I can talk. When I'm walking, I can talk.
Okay, but do you know that I'm learning English, that's why I'm here, and I really want to talk to foreigner for my learning purpose. It's a good way to practice. What do you think? What's your opinion?
What? You want to try to speak English, right?
Yeah,
Where are you from, though?
I'm from Bangladesh.
Bangladesh?
Yeah, do you know Bangladesh? Where is it?
Yeah.
You are native English speaker, am right?
Yes.
Give me some tips how can improve my English because I'm very shy to speak English with foreigner.
No, you speak. You speak really good in English.
Yeah, but you can share some new tips I will apply in future.
Oh, so in the future I'm gonna speak English.
Yeah.
You can either use like Google Translator
Yeah?
to like if I talk to my comments or hey how are you and then you can translate Bangladesh into English so at least you understand what the UK people say and you can translate into Bangladesh.
It's the good process to improve.
Yeah. And then you understand English a bit more.
Yeah, I can understand,
Right.
but I have so many mistakes, and sometimes my mind is stuck to speaking. What I replied now, uh, so many thinking are my mind around. So how can I remove this thing?
Which thing?
I want to be a good and very fluent English speaker. That's why I'm work on it. So how it's possible? You can share something.
That's not impossible.
What do you think? So
You
many
said what?
people are as advise me. Listening also good part of learning. Listening, writing, and
Communication. Communication is good.
yeah,
You know.
it's
But sometimes people basically mocking your accent as well, you know, to take fun of you. They're trying to take a bunch of you, everything.
so. What do you think? Listening also a part of learning?
Yeah, listening. You can learn listening, teamwork, everything.
So if you want to learn other language, not English, what do you do?
You see, like for me, I can speak Spanish. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Muy bien. Eu no falo English means I don't speak English. You know what I'm saying?
How many languages do you speak?
Hola, ¿cómo estás? Muy bien. Eu no falo English. Como se, como sa. I know a little bit of like Portuguese. I speak like, you know, I know some like Ghanaian words.
So okay, when you
But
start
yeah.
a learn new language, what is the process you follow?
So if you want to learn different languages, you can download the app on your phone. You know, if you want to learn different languages, you can search on like Play Store. I want to learn a new language. They'll show you the option, download it, and then there's different options to speak.
Sometimes when you learning new language, you feel bored when you are first.
No. Yeah, you see, for me, I'm bored speaking English though. I want to speak to like America. You know, I want to learn American. I want to learn American though. You see?
What do you do for living? I know it's a personal question.
Now I'm washing up. For me, I'm gonna start modeling. So my job is to be a model.
Say again, I can't understand.
I'm gonna start modeling. Model. Yeah. So model is like when you take different pictures, different poses and everything.
Okay, let's talk in future. Okay, thank you for giving me your valuable time. I have to go now. I have
Okay.
to work. Okay, see you next time. Bye bye.
Okay. Bye.